Hey, what's up guys? So I'd like to give a shout out to my sponsor, DND Performance Interior. So they hooked me up with some steering wheel, quick release, blind quick release, the short hub NRG. Well, they gave me some other goodies down here too. So you guys can see that right there. So today I'm gonna install these bad boys. And I'm gonna take these out and show you guys how to do it too. Alright guys, so to take out the airbag, it's pretty much a T30 screw, which is right here, and one on the other side. Hopefully you guys can see where I'm pointing at. Just take those two out, then I'll show you the rest on the other side. Alright guys, so I got the airbag off. It's pretty easy. So you just pull off just one tab that's holding it. So this tab right here, all you pretty much do is just, let me get a closer look. You just slide it. Slide it right here. So right here, this one, you just slide it back, and pull it out, and disconnect the cruise control, which is right here. This one, just connect that one. Just tap right there, and this is a 19 mil. I think it's a 19 mil. All right, so you got your 19 mil. Give it a good cup of wax. There it goes. Alright, to take off the cruise control is pretty much, you get the flathead where it was plugged in at. Let's see, show you guys. So you get a flathead, it's plugged in like this. Get a flathead and just push it in right here where the bottom part is at. Then it should slide out. And you just pull it out. And that's it, you just take off the steering wheel. Alright, then next you take out the clocker spring, because the NRG hub won't fit over this, so you gotta take this one out. So just take out these 3 screws, 1, 2, then one right on the bottom, right here. Get a shot of it. Somewhere right here, the bottom one. And yeah, just take those out and take this off. Then there should be 4 screws behind it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So after you take out the clock spring, let's see. Alright, so after you take it out, it's gonna be stuck right here. And there's gonna be these tabs right here. So these tabs, so they're pretty much just easy. Flip around, press on it, it pops out this side too. But for the yellow one, make sure you flip this down first. So you just flip it and it pops down. Yeah. So this one lock in place like this. Let's see, you just flip it down and pop. Alright, so pretty much you're just gonna line the dot and put it right in the center. You got it centered, just get the factory 19 mil and just screw it on. So right now I'm not gonna do the horn, I'm just gonna install the steering wheel and figure out how to do the horn later on. Alright, so I got the quick release, the back end. Just gonna line it up. It only goes in one way where the lines up. Put it like that and screw it down. I'm gonna use the supply screws that come with it. Alright, so now I'm gonna put the other side of the quick release. So basically, you just put it back here. Put a screw in. Put the washer. Hope you guys can see. Alright, put the washer. And just screw in the back of the nut. Alright, then you do the rest and tighten it down. Alright guys, so I just finished installing it and it looked pretty good. I mean, it's kind of hard to zoom back because I'm trying to get a full shot, but it's kind of hard. Let's see. Zoom that in. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Yeah, I'm pretty much done. Let me zoom in more. Zoom in more. Alright, so yeah, I got the steering wheel installed. Let me focus this. Alright, so I got the DND steering wheels installed. It's pretty clean, pretty nice, and it feels good. What's best about it is the quick release. That's what I really want. I mean, it sucks that I can't hit the horn, but I might probably try to figure out how to wire it. That me and my friend might help me. I'm gonna ask my friend, he might help me out on how to wire it. So yeah, it should be good for now. But right now, looking good. There's no horn. It's just straight steering wheel. Yeah, this blue suede is nice. I really want to get crazy ass dude. Alright, this crazy ass dude just walked by my house. Alright, so there's a blue. We had like 2x4s that sword. Alright, so yeah, I want blue. That's why I got the blue steering wheel. Blue is my favorite color. I'm going for like a blue interior theme. So yeah, that's why I have blue lights and everything. So you guys can see. Yeah, that's why I'm gonna change that to blue. Even the wire is kind of blue, but it's kind of purplish, but it looks blue. But the seats, I'm trying to get bucket seats for like a blue bucket seat. So yeah, that's what I'm doing for the interior theme. But yeah, blue is just so clean and nice. Look at that stitching, perfect. Yeah. Even though the quick release is blue. Look at that. Let me focus on that. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, this is pretty much for how to install it. But sorry, there's no wire diagram on how to do the horn. I'll probably figure that out later on and show you. But as of right now, this is just an install on how to install a quick release. This is DND Performance interior. This is their air freshener too. I even have their shift knob before they even sponsored me. So let's see, you guys can see that. This is a weighted shift knob. And it's shift good too. So yeah, check out DND Performance Interior. Check out their gears. But yeah, this is the new sponsor from my car. So stay tuned for more updates. And this is pretty clean. I might probably get their carbon fiber. So who knows, man. But right now I'm gonna rock these. So peace out, guys. Like, subscribe.